Hello, good evening. It's been a while. I want to remind us that my books are still available. Uno no ŁDO, ŁDO LANGUAGE. Yeah, this was the books I launched in Toronto, Atlanta, Dubai, Thunder Bay, Australia, Austria, Paris, and what have you. Please, it is my joy to teach my mother tongue in the diaspora. Though English is our lingua franca, what are you waiting for? Grab your copy today. Yes, it's well simplified. It will help you to teach your children without stress. Yes. Look at the subtitle. It says, Learning ŁDO Language with Ease. So what are you waiting for? Grab your copies today and use it to teach your children. We have singular and plural. We have different chapters that will enable you to teach your children without stress. Learn your mother tongue today. ŁDO language is my mother tongue. English is our lingua franca, but remember that we must teach our children our mother tongue. If nothing else, let them learn how to pronounce their names. Pronunciation is key, and how they can apply diacritic to their names. They can also learn how to exchange pleasantries, as in Uhonatwe. Oyabota. Okay, kabose monye mewe. Woni maze ve uno baji. Me mamai ve webu. Imamai ne kewuga. So kwa yaho ne kera kije kemo. Ni arame ebena uwa ni ayama iriya bena ze ewimae. Also in that type where ŁDO language is my mother tongue. English is our lingua franca. English in Oroni ebo my bena so so ba ga mo ewi mafua ewona na akubo eti o bena ya zo eriri ma be ya ni ma beta. Maybe I really want to know heke niya. Oya wesi. Ono no ዄDO ŁDO Awesi o.